Hello boys and girls, welcome to day 3 of week 6. Today we're going to be reading a different book. So for the first 2 days of the week we've been reading Curious Cats, which is a non-fiction book which tells us lots of different facts about cats. Today we're going to be looking at a fiction book, a storybook. This book is called Hey Kitty Kitty. So these are our steps to success. I can use our reading strategies. That's the first thing we need to do. I can use the reading strategies. I can then read or listen to the story 3 times. It would be really good if you could read the story. I would love to see some videos of you reading if you could. That would be amazing. Okay, next one. I can find the answer in the text. I can look back through the book, and that will help me answer the questions. And that's our last step to success. I can answer the questions. So we all should know these by now. Our reading strategies. Eagle Eye, Lips the Fish, Stretchy Snake and Chunky Monkey. There are 4 ones that we use a lot. Okay, we don't tend to use these ones as much. So yeah, these 4 are our most important ones at the moment. Okay, let's have a look. Who's helping us today? Stretchy Snake. Yeah, Stretchy Snake is going to help us. So I will go first, then it's your turn. Okay? And then I know this, and a h makes the sh sound. Like you're telling someone to be quiet. Let's try it together. Are you ready? Can you put it together? Fish. 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 Well done. Okay, Chunky Monkey. I have this word here. Now I know that it begins with an A. I can use Chunky Monkey, and I know that that is A. This one is a tricky word, but I'm going to help you. This says round. Can you see? All these objects are round. They're made out of circles, round. So if I have a round, can we put it together? A round, around. We go around the circle, around. Well done. And our last one for today is Eagle Eye. To use Eagle Eye, we look at the first sound in the word, and then we try and find something that begins with that sound in the picture. Okay, so what does my word begin with? K, k, k. Okay, can we see anything in the picture that begins with k? It's not the bin, because bin begins with b. What's this? We know it's a cat, but we know this doesn't say cat because it says k, I, and cat has the k, a sound. So, do we know of another word for a cat? Do we know another word for a cat? Kitty. This is kitty. K, k, kitty. Okay. Familiarise yourself with this word. Have a good look at it because it comes up a lot in our book. Okay, so I'm going to read the book to you now. So, let's have a read. This book is called Hey Kitty Kitty. Hey Kitty Kitty, want some fish? Up, 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 up. Up here, Kitty Kitty. In here, Kitty Kitty. Over here, Kitty Kitty. Up here, Kitty Kitty. Down here, Kitty Kitty. Through here, Kitty Kitty. In the box. Out of the box. Fast, Kitty. Slow, Kitty. Around here, Kitty. Around, around, around. Not in here, Kitty Kitty. Night, night, Kitty Kitty. Purr. The cat's having a little purr. So this is a nice and easy book, okay? So I want you to go to the PowerPoint. I will send you the PowerPoint. And I want you to try and read it 2 more times. I would love to see some videos of you reading, okay? So make sure you pop a video in your portfolio. You don't have to read the whole book, just read me a few pages. That would be fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at our activities for today. So there is a Kahoot quiz, okay? And it's all about where is the cat? So you need to tell me, is the cat in the bin or behind the bin, on top of the bin? There's lots of questions like that. So you need to look at the pictures and tell me where the cat is, okay? And then this is your writing activity for today. It's more of a drawing activity. So I'm going to see if you can draw pictures for these sentences. Let's read these sentences. The cat is, oh, I've made a spelling mistake there. Let's change that. There we go. Let's try again. The cat is on the bin. The cat is under the chair. The cat is next to the bed. And here's my example, okay? So I had the sentence, the cat is in the box. So what you need to do is draw a picture to match the sentence. And if you want extra dojo points, if you could do some beautiful handwriting and write the sentence, that would be amazing. So draw a picture to describe the sentence and write the sentence down, okay? So your sentences are, the cat is on the bin, the cat is under the chair, the cat is next to the bed. So make sure you upload your pictures to Class Dojo. And for extra dojo points, you can use your best handwriting to write the sentences. I will upload these two slides, this one and this one, onto Dojo to make it a bit easier for you. Okay, so your activities are read the book, do the Kahoot quiz, and then you've got some drawing and some handwriting to do. Okay, fantastic. I look forward to seeing all your fantastic work on your Class Dojo. Remember to message me if there are any problems, and I will see you again tomorrow. Well done, everybody.